What are the 10 most costly mistakes made by an executor or an administrator of an estate, and how to avoid those mistakes? That's what we're going to talk about today. Hello again, and this is Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors TV. Thanks for watching. Let's start with not educating yourself on the probate process and deciding if you need and or want a lawyer. Number 2, relying on an attorney for everything. So you do decide to choose an attorney and to use an attorney, but what you do is rely on the attorney for everything. The attorney is an expert in his field. However, a lot of people rely on the attorney for real estate people, contractors, CPAs, tax information. That could be a costly mistake. Rely on the local people that are experts in the fields that you need information about. Costly mistake number 3. Waiting too long to list and sell the real estate. Once you get letters of testamentary or letters of administration, you can, at that time, begin the process of selling the property. You could list it, accept offers, and even open escrow. And you can do that while you are administering the other parts of the estate. Costly mistake number 4, not securing and maintaining the real estate. Sometimes you'll be out of state or a long ways away from the subject property. You'll need to make sure that that property is maintained. You'll need to make sure there aren't any squatters in the property, etc. So hiring a local real estate professional to keep an eye on all of those things would help you avoid that problem. Costly mistake number 5, choosing friends over the right professionals for a particular job. In a typical probate procedure, you'll need to answer questions in relations to possibly contract work, taxes, estate planning, and other professionals. So you got to make sure that you hire the best professional for that job. Costly mistake number 6, not collecting all of the related paperwork and submitting it to the courts in a timely fashion. That will delay the process and cause additional stress and strain. So the way to avoid that is to always be on top of the paperwork as the process proceeds. Costly mistake number 7, waiting too long to begin the probate process. As time goes by, taxes add up, creditors become pushier, heirs become impatient, and that only complicates the process. So the best thing to do is to go ahead and begin the process as soon as you possibly can, and at the same time be respectful to your mourning and the mourning of your other loved ones. Costly mistake number 8, not picking up the mail from the decedent's property. As soon as you can, direct the post office to send the mail to a different location or establish a P.O. box. It is a major mistake to miss notices and or claims by creditors or lenders. Also, it's a mistake to allow the mail to stack up in the mailbox or on the front porch where burglars and criminals can recognize that, and they'll know that the property is vacant, thus causing security issues. And the 10th, but not the least, most costly mistake is not knowing your options when it comes to selling the real estate. The real estate is usually the most expensive asset in a decedent's estate. And in some cases, you need to know how to maximize the dollar out of that estate. In some cases, the property needs work. You need to decide if you want to put the work into the property or have work done on the property in order to maximize the dollar, or you can decide if you want to go ahead and sell the property to an investor with a cash offer. So you have options. So you need to know that in the beginning. There it is. There are the 10 most costly mistakes of an executor and an administrator, and how to avoid those mistakes. I'm Daryl Williams. This is Win-Win Realtors TV. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.